Class 11th, Chapter 1st, Physical World and Measurement. The history of human reveals that they have been making continuous and serious attempts to understand the world around them. The repetition of day and night cycle of seasons, volcanoes, rainbows, eclipses, and the starry night sky have always been a source of wonder and subject of thought. The inquiring mind of human always tried to understand the natural phenomena by observing the environment carefully. This pursuit of understanding nature led us to today's modern science and technology. Physics. The word science comes from a Latin word scientia, which means to know. Science is nothing but the knowledge gained through the systematic observation and experiments. Scientific methods include the systematic observations, reasoning, modeling, and theoretical predictions. Science has many disciplines, physics being one of them. The word physics has its origin in a Greek word meaning nature. Physics is the most basic science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. Understanding science begins with understanding physics. With every passing day, physics has brought to us a deeper level of understanding of nature. Physics is an empirical study. Everything we know about physical world and about the principles that govern its behavior has been learned through observation of the phenomena of nature. The ultimate test of any physical theory is its agreement with observation and measurement of physical phenomena. Thus, physics is inherently a science of measurement. Scope of physics. The scope of physics can be understood if one looks at the various sub-disciplines such as mechanics, optics, heat and thermodynamics, electrodynamics, atom physics, nuclear physics, etc. Mechanics deals with motion of particle and general system of particles. The working of telescope, colors of thin films are the topics dealt in optics. Heat and thermodynamics deals with pressure, volume changes that take place in gas when its temperature changes. Working of refrigerator, etc. The phenomena of charged particle and magnetic bodies are dealt in electrodynamics. The magnetic field around a current carrying conductor, propagation of radio waves, etc. are the areas where electrodynamics provide an answer. Atomic and nuclear physics deals with the constitution and structure of matter, interaction of atom and nuclei with electrons, protons and other elementary particles. Fundamental of physics enable us to appreciate and enjoy things and happening around us. The laws of physics help us to understand and comprehend the cause-effect relationship in what we observe. This makes a complex problem to appear pretty simple. Physics is exciting in many ways. To some, the excitement comes from the fact that certain basic concepts and laws can explain a range of phenomena. For some others, the thrill lies in carrying out new experiments to unravel the secret of nature. Applied physics is even more interesting, transforming laws and theories into useful application require great inequality and persistent effort.